Alright, here's my transmission that I originally had, and where's it at? Oh yeah, here's the filter. You can see all that junk in there. A lot of junk clogged up. But on this magnet here, there is a lot of sludge, metal. Look at that. That's a lot of metal. So yeah, you got O-rings everywhere. Gotta be changed. But that's it, it's all into it now. You can rebuild it like this. That's it. This is the accumulator. This is the valve body. I think this one is the torque converter lockup servo body or something like that. Or this is the servo body, I believe. I'll have to look at the deal.